to another video of how to do. And in this video, we're going to teach you how to make delicious chicken soup. So, let's get started. Okay, so these are the wonderful ingredients you're going to need to make. So, these ingredients are onions, parsnips, we have carrots, we have parsley, salt, pepper, celery, we have chicken necks, chicken frames, and a chicken boiler. Okay, so now we know what our ingredients are, and now we're going to show you how to prepare them for the soup. Okay, so what we need to do to prepare our onions is actually quite easy, and there are no tears involved. All you have to do is cut off the top, cut off the bottom, peel off the skin, and chop it in half. It's that easy. Okay, so next we have our parsnips. Now this is also quite easy. All you have to do is chop off one end, flip it over, chop off the other, and then you grab a peeler and the whole time you're just peeling your parsnip. One more thing with the parsnip, you want to chop it in half, and then with your thicker side, you want to chop this in half again vertically. And now we can move on to our carrots. Now we have our carrots, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people know how to do this. We just have to take our knife, cut off the ends, and once we have cut off the ends, we are going to peel the carrot. And you repeat that with all your other carrots. Now, let's learn how to prepare our celery. So to start off, you want to cut your celery right down the middle. And once you cut right down the middle, you want to cut the end off. And once you cut all of that off, you want to take your celery and wash it extremely thoroughly under running cold water so we get all the dirt and creepy crawlies out of it. And now, with the power of editing. Oh geez, these are a lot of vegetables. That means we need to do the power of editing again.
Guardian Leviosa.
Yes, we did it. All our vegetables are here. We have the celery, the carrots, we have the onions, we have the parsnips, the parsley. We have it all. Yes. Okay, so now that all of our delicious foods are prepared, we are going to put them in the pot. First thing, we've got the chicken frames in the pot. And now we have the chicken necks and the chicken boiler. And now we have everything in our pot. We have the vegetables and the chicken. So now, all that's left to do before we start cooking it is add water. Now, we're gonna put in our water with another pot or jug. Okay, and now that we have all our water there and all our chicken and all our vegetables, now we want to heat it up to its boiling point. Although you have to make sure that's over 90 degrees at the least for food safety. Okay, next we are going to add in our salt and pepper. We want salt and pepper. And we are done. That is some good soup. And if you want to have some more baking recipes and also learn a bit of guitar, then check out the rest of my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.